What's up, everyone? Today we're going to take a look at Lake Sumter Landing. I'm going to tell you a little story about Lake Sumter Landing, along with we'll check out some of the live entertainment going on and how many people are out there based off the COVID type stuff. Is it really slowing people down? Is it busy? It is the big season here because we're in the middle of February, kind of getting toward the end now. And with that going on, you know, the influx of the northerners coming down and all that kind of stuff, is that going to be a lot of people at the square, or does that mean, you know, it's still going to be like it was before? Just a reminder, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We are giving away a canvas print. Here it is, canvas print of Brownwood Square. I'm giving this away this month on Saturday. So Saturday the 27th. Saturday the 27th, we're giving that away. I will put the directions in one of these corners so that you can click and look at it. You do have to comment in the bottom with the keyword though, so make sure you stick around during the video for that. And of course, I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Alright, so like I said, we're going to take a look at Lake Sumter Landing here. You can see we're headed west into the sunset, turning. This is the north side of the square that we're passing by. We're gonna kind of spin around, but I wanted to kind of share a story with you about Lake Sumter Square. It has been around since about 2004. I think that it was one of, if not the first places that Natalie and I went together when we first were dating and talking to each other. We went to Red Sauce, which is right on the corner of the square right there. And we sat on the outside bar. She actually came out and picked me up. And then I had never heard of Lake Sumter Landing before. So when she asked me if I wanted to go hang out there or whatnot, I said sure. I thought I'd try it out. I had only been to Spanish Spring Square at that time, and I hadn't been there years before. I think when we first went, it was about 2011 or so about 7 years after the square opened. There was no gators, no Cody's. RJ Gators, I think, is the other one. No Cody's, no RJ Gators. If I want to say I'm correct on that, I'm not positive. So, you know, don't leave me a comment yelling at me about it. But anyways, we sat on the outside patio of Red Sauce, and Natalie was paying attention to me in some story, talking with her hands, and actually karate chopped the top of a wine glass. Broke the wine glass on the bar, and it was kind of embarrassing. She was embarrassed, but we had a good laugh about it. We had already known each other for years, so it wasn't a big deal, but it was pretty funny. Anyway, that's my story about Lake Sumter Landing. First experience, I believe, out there. But you can't beat the views at Lake Sumter Landing, especially with the sunsets and the sunrise. We've done videos out here with the sun coming up over the lake, and the views are just spectacular with the sun hitting the water. There's a bunch of wildlife out here on the lake, especially. And this is where they used to, I'm not sure if they still do, but when you take the tour for the villages, I forget what it's called, newcomers tour or whatever it's called anyways, this hotel right here is where you used to stay, and then they would take you around the villages. And now I think they're actually putting you down in the Water Lily Rec area. So you can see the square up here in the background. I was kind of shocked because when I was pulling in here, I was impressed at how many people were out here, down here for the live entertainment. I'm not sure if they had a really popular band or not, but it was actually kind of tough to get a parking spot close to the square, so I parked in one of the parking lots over. I haven't had that problem lately at all, but it is in season for us here, usually late January, February, especially probably with all the storms going on right now up north, and even in the middle of the states. Quite a few people down here. You can see all the people out there line dancing and stuff, having a good time. Florida's been really lucky that we've been open quite a bit, and yeah, we've had some spikes with COVID, but nothing I don't think compared to most places. We've been pretty fortunate in that aspect. I have seen a lot of friends lose their businesses and things like that, and of course we didn't fare too well with our business, but overall I think the timing was wrong. But the state in general, I think, has done a really great job at this. If you are in the competition or in the contest for the canvas drawing, we are going to go with wine glass this time for the phrase for the comments. So if you've made it this far into the video, wine glass is the comment that I'd like to see you put in there, because Natalie did karate chop the wine glass when we went on our date at Lake Sumter Square, so I think that actually makes good sense. And I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to sign up for the email list if you want a chance to win that canvas print. We will be doing the drawing on the 27th of this month, February. And as always, we will see you in the next one.